Introducing VeriHire, the AI-powered screening platform designed to revolutionize how you identify and engage top talent. Getting started is simple. Initiate a new job opening within the platform. Define your ideal candidate effortlessly. You have the flexibility to either input your organization's tailored job description or leverage VeriHire's AI to generate a comprehensive and effective description based on your requirements. Access our integrated global timesheet to view interviewer availability and select optimal time slots that work for everyone involved. Once you've created the job, prepare for insightful interviews with VeriHire's intelligent question generation. Choose from a vast library of AI-powered questions, categorized by relevant skills and competencies. You also have the option to incorporate your own custom questions and even specify the number of retakes permitted for each question, providing a more nuanced assessment. VeriHire automates the communication process. The interviewee will automatically receive a professional email notification confirming their interview details, including the specific date and time, ensuring a seamless and professional candidate experience. Following the interview, easily provide your evaluation of the candidate through our intuitive rating system. VeriHire's advanced AI then analyzes the candidate's responses, generating a comprehensive assessment report. This report includes an in-depth analysis of the interview, providing valuable insights and even scoring each question to offer a granular understanding of the candidate's performance. VeriHire empowers your organization to optimize its hiring process, leading to enhanced efficiency, more informed decisions, and a superior experience for both your team and your candidates. Discover the future of hiring with VeriHire. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more